What's up guys, Charles here. Meet the new NZXT H9 Flow RGB Plus chassis. It introduces a dual-chamber chassis designed to accommodate high-performance components while addressing airflow and cable management challenges. Building on the pentagonal design concept from the smaller H6 Flow, the H9 Flow retains the angled front panel kink pattern, which increases surface area for ventilation. The layout supports full-size motherboards, large radiators, and multiple storage drives. Internally, the dual-chamber configuration separates the power supply and cable runs from the main component area, reducing interior clutter and improving thermal performance. If you're building a high-end system, the NZXT H9 Flow comes in 3 versions, all offered in black or white finishes. All 3 have the same huge interior, which can fit graphics cards up to 450 millimeters long and CPU coolers up to 188 millimeters tall. Each kit comes with matching thumb screws, standoffs, and rubber grommets to make your build look neat. Each model shares identical dimensions and internal drive bays. Color-match standoffs, thumb screws, and rubber grommets are provided to streamline assembly. Inside, the H9 Flow uses a 2-chamber layout. One chamber holds the motherboard, GPU, and cooling, while the lower section hides the PSU and cables. This arrangement keeps cables out of sight and helps air move more freely. You can install any boards, so there's flexibility whether you're making a workstation or a gaming PC. The front panel has a unique pentagon perforation pattern, a design borrowed from the smaller H6 Flow that lets in more air. All the panels on the front, top, and side are made of perforated steel. This fine mesh is supposed to keep dust out without needing extra filters. NZXT says you don't need magnetic filters because the perforations are tight enough, although some people worry about long-term dust buildup. The right side is tempered glass so you can see your components. Cable routing is well thought out. There are several cutouts for cables, Velcro straps to bundle them, and a removable shroud that tucks the PSU and wires away. Plus, the large CPU bracket cutout makes swapping coolers easier, and rubber fan mounts help reduce vibration noise. Putting it all together, the H9 Flow is a roomy dual-chamber case that targets enthusiasts who need space for big GPUs, custom water loops, or multiple drives. Whether you choose the standard fan setup or go RGB heavy, the layout is similar across all versions. The focus is on clean cable management, ample cooling options, and a stylish perforated design that balances airflow and dust protection. That's it for today's video. Do consider subscribing for all the latest content on gaming, and as always, I'll see you at the next one. Peace out.